and to pop that bearing off like it wasn't nobody's business. First thing we're going to do is make some witness marks on it. That just makes it easier to put back together. Whew, there's a lot of debris inside that motor. So I get a good hold of the shaft on the rotor. Oh, it's broke loose, come right off. There's your impeller, there's your shaft seal. Got a piece of graphite. It runs up against a piece of ceramic. The two surfaces are so smooth that water can't pass between them, even though it's spinning at 3,450 RPMs. And you got a single keeper here. You don't have to take the screw out, just loosen it. Turn it to the side. There you go. And belt came right off. So this motor is actually not in bad condition at all. Had a lot of debris inside of it, Mud Daubers, but the bearings actually aren't bad. But as long as we have it apart, we're gonna put new bearings in it. So on this particular motor, there's not enough room between this bearing and that fan to get a puller on it. So you need a special pull adapter like this, made for that size bearing. You click that on, and then that moves that out here where we can get at it. And to pop that bearing off like it wasn't nobody's business. It's just a matter of holding the square. All right. So we get a bearing here, and then I just kind of hold these on my thigh. If it's not damaging my thigh, it's not damaging the shaft. And then tap them on, make sure it's up tight. Bearing number 2 on the front. You always want to make sure there weren't any shims or anything behind there. And so we'll go ahead and put this rotor back in here. And those marks we made when we first started, we'll just line them up. We can find them. There we go. So now our bolts will go right back where they're supposed to go. Just give them a little tappy tap. Like that. And then there we go, lined up. So the back end, make sure the thrust washer is in there. It's a wavy washer. Put him on there. And you should just be able to walk these end belts most of the way up. You shouldn't need to be beating on them. Make sure you don't have any wires pinched between them and the motor barrel. If you did, you probably just ruined the motor. Get that all lined up. The through bolts for the volute, or the body of the pump, they are actually what hold the pump together, the motor together. So we'll get the 3 bolts in here. And those witness marks we made earlier are making that nice and easy for us. So that Okay. Everything's back together. Checking our heater amperage here. The 18.3. That includes a couple amps for the pump running on low speed. So let's see how this little pump does. Alright, sounds good. No leaks. You see pump number 2. That's the new one. Up to 38 amps on 2 pumps plus the heater. Everything looks good. I'm going to start closing this up.